Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. First of all, open your phone gallery. Then click on the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to and mark Edit. Here tap on camera icon, which is for profile picture, and you can select some picture from your gallery, from AR emoji, one from stickers, or you can grab camera, take a picture straight away. But I would like to choose something from my gallery. Then you can customize the picture however you like, tap on done and click on save. So that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to your contact and it will be displayed every time this number is called on you. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.